What up, what up? It's your boy Striker with another winter weather driving vehicle video. Driving vehicle. I'm in the 21 Tacoma. Fully done up. If you want to see my mod, check out some of my other videos. Lady in the minivan can't even move right there. Supposed to get 5 to 8 inches today. I am truly excited. You know, when you have winter excuse me. Ugh. Winter weather vehicles like this, or I call this my extreme weather vehicle, not exactly just for winter, but for any extreme weather. I mean, coming out here is kind of fun. Well, not kind of, it is definitely fun. Ooh, look at that big old truck. Yeah, you got yourself a nice four-wheel drive SUV, all-wheel drive SUV. You are kind of good to go all winter long. You got you a little front-wheel drive SUV or car. You're not horrible, you know, it's not a horrible situation to be in, but it's not ideal. There's definitely going to be some times where you spin and don't go nowhere, and it's going to suck. If you've got any kind of rear wheel only drive vehicle, you know, a lot of people driving Chargers, Challengers, all those new, old made new muscle cars. Mustangs, yeah, they are not going anywhere in this weather. Look at those headlights flashing. Well, me and my Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs are just flexing through the snow. No problem. On the way to pick up my little girl from school. When it's snowing 5 to 8 inches, this is the only vehicle I own I want to do it in. And we also have a Highlander that I could definitely make it in, but it would not be as safe. Not to mention I have the steel front rear bumper and rock sliders on this bad boy, so if I do get hit, whether it be, you know, I accidentally slide into something or someone, I have more of a chance not to have wrecked anything on my vehicle. Plus, I'm keeping this truck where my wife is just leasing her Highlander. Woo. Love this weather. Last couple years I've been doing it in a Jeep. Jeeps are fun. Jeeps definitely make this weather easier. So if you have an option to go with a Jeep, I definitely recommend that as well. To each his own though. Maybe you don't like Jeeps, maybe you don't like Tacomas, maybe you don't like trucks in general, and you just, you know, you go with the all-wheel drive car option, you know. Maybe you're one of those people that likes, you know, the all-wheel drive Audi or the all-wheel drive you know, STI or Evo. Maybe you're under that sports car love. So you get you all-wheel drive sports car for the winter. To each their own. I like to go this route. I definitely have driven a WRX for a winter, and it's not the STI, but still, maybe if it was a brand new STI, it would have been funner, but the one I had was just not as fun as it looks. Just constantly worried about people running into you and you running into somebody else, and days like today happening. With this truck, it doesn't matter how much it snows. If you have to get there, you will get there. Got people busting out the snow blowers in the middle of the storm so they don't have to do half as much work after it's over. I actually do not have a snow blower. Well, I do, but it's broken. Have not fixed it, have not got a new one. Oh yeah, good times, good times. And snow. Love Minnesota snowstorms, good times. Really fun to drive in. You have the right vehicle. Well, yeah, there she be. I mean, this is all it's going to be for this time. I'm almost to the school. I'll make more driving videos. I know there's some of you that are like, oh, it's a winter storm. You shouldn't be holding your phone driving. Well, if you're on side roads going 30 miles an hour, and there's hardly anybody on the road, if you can't handle holding your phone during that, maybe you shouldn't be driving either. Yeah. Nothing special though, just not going fast, not on the freeway. I would do it on the freeway, don't get me wrong, but just try to be safe when I'm doing it. Mainly on high side roads and empty roads. But yeah, if you like that video, hit that like button. Definitely need some more subscribers. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Help your boy get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm definitely only halfway with the watched hours, so please watch some more of my videos, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.